Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to use Fire Crystal Whiteout Survival. First of all, open up the Whiteout Survival game. Once you get into the game, click on the plus sign from the top right corner. You can see many other things from the top bar. In monthly cards or weekly cards, you'll be able to purchase a card that includes a lot of fire crystals. This is the most simple and easy way to have a fire crystal at your disposal, but it's a paid process. The other option to have fire crystals is the events that pop up on your screen. When you see an event, there are rewards of fire crystals. You will be able to have to complete it to have access to them. And the third way to get fire crystals is to do some intel mission in the world. You'll be able to use these fire crystals. When you try to upgrade some constructions, especially furnaces, remember to complete your daily missions. Because the chest over here has a chance of giving you some fire crystals. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.